Hey everyone, Tim from Alpha Wolf Trading coming at you with a special promotion from Trade Ideas. Today is August 14th, tomorrow is August 15th. They're running a test drive promotion where you get full access to all of their artificial intelligence, software programs, scanners, and this gives you full access to all the premium stuff in Trade Ideas for 2 weeks for $11.11. Now, to get the biggest bang for your buck, what do you need to do? You need to sign up either tonight or tomorrow morning so that you get that full 2 week period. You can sign up for this program through the 19th, but then you're still paying the $11.11, but you're not going to get that full 2 weeks because this is a timed deal. So, my recommendation to get the biggest bang for your buck, sign up either tonight or tomorrow and start using it first thing tomorrow morning. You're going to have access to all of their scanners, their suggested entries and exits on real-time trades. You're going to have a lot of stuff available to you for $11.11. I think it's well worth it. If you're a day trader, swing trader, scalper, there's all kinds of pre-built programs that you can go through. You can see all these different watch lists. They've got several, quite a few educational videos that you'll have access to. So if you're serious about trading, no matter what type of trader you are, scalper, position trader, swing trader, there is something here for you, and this is a good opportunity for you to take this for, like they say, a test drive. They also have, and I you can't see the graphic interface, but they have this race program that I absolutely love, where you've got these different cars, and no matter, like that one is relative strength leaders from the open, but you can have small caps, you could have low floaters that are moving, and I think you can have up to, like, I want to say 20 different ticker symbols there. Create your own list. I love that graphic interface. It's a really cool way to see what's moving and what's kind of leading the pack, what's falling behind. You can go short, you can go long, all kinds of really cool stuff here. I kind of stepped away from Trade Ideas for a little bit, and now I've come back, and it's proving to be extremely useful. So, great opportunity for you. Don't miss out. Sign up, and give it a whirl. Give it a test drive. Okay. All right, everybody. Have a fantastic Sunday evening and a wonderful week trading. And I'll see you all soon.